Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming, and today we are going to make a Python program to find the count of vowels in a string. Okay, so let's take a variable string1 and take it as input equal to input enter string here. Okay, now I will take a for loop for I in str1 to check every element of a string that which is vowel which is not. Okay, inside this for loop I will write a condition if I is equal to a or I is equal to a or small and capital. We are going to check both the vowels, small letters and capital letters. Okay, so we will write all the vowels a e I o u. So I equal to e, or I equal to small e, or I equal to u, or I equal to capital U, or I equal to o, or capital O, or a e I, or I is equal to capital I. Okay, if any of the condition is correct, then I will take a variable s equal to 0 and I will update this variable by 1, s equal to s plus 1. Okay, and outside for loop I will print this s. So this s will tell me the count of vowels in this str1. Okay, so let's run the code. I equal, oh, there will be two equal here. Okay, so let's run the code again. Take string Vishal, enter. So how many vowels? I and A, only two vowels, so 2. Let's take another value, GWD. So how many vowels? Only 2. So enter 2. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.